Yes, sir. Rolling pa.
Ay, bibili ka ba pag wala ka nakuha sa end of series? Hindi na.
Eh, dadating yung mga bagong wizards. Doon na lang. Yun na ang gagasa sa akin. Kasi kung kukuha, plan ko buuin yung dalawa eh. So Marvel kagad yung dalawa.
Sabi niya, Osilio.
Osilio, whatever dance.
Summer dance. Buluting ko.
Sabi mo agad. Adult ha? Adult ha? Kahit sabi mo mahina sila.
Lahat number dance cards, bigay ko sa'yo lahat ha. Baka mag-Osilio ko eh.
Sige. Buuin ko yung dalawa eh.
Upgrade na. Grabe, white border. Nandiyan ba yung black border? Ba't dalawa yung Striders mo? Bakit dalawa? Yan. Black border gaming.
Para hindi ma-OC si Card.
Baka gumana. Mas tumaas yung...
Bakit dalawa yung set mo? Tamad ka lang, Dok?
Hindi, yung una kasi, dati, hindi ko pa alam, binili ko yung slider kasi na white border. Tapos, sabi ko, yun na lang yung hindi foil. Kapartner ko, pinoil ko. Tapos, plan ko una ibenta. Tapos, wag na lang. Baka kailanganin ko sa...
Yeah. Matagal naman hindi ginagamit yan, yung black border. Baka
Hindi, sa keynote eh.
Baka may tampo.
Sa keynote yan. Hindi, sa keynote ko to eh.
Okay.
Mas gamit yun.
So, CCK na pala.
Oo,
Wala ka man. Nag-champion siya.
Oo, si Imagine B. Galing no, Enigma eh. Enigma matchup. IP Tuata siya. Tapos, na-pitch stock niya kahit IP.
Alright.
Patay ka na ata, Dok.
Mas na rider may cook.
Kasi magkakalit yung gameplay nila ni
Mystic Boots. One.
Mga tao talaga.
Headpiece.
Ha?
Headpiece.
Headpiece. Hindi, ano yun eh, yung sa ano. Hindi ko
Mystic Brute ka, sir.
Brute ah.
Mystic Brute.
yung mga
Try life. Hindi ko nalalabas yung armor token ko. Discard mo.
Discard. Sige. Niro-roll natin.
Intimidate, no? Sabay na ano eh. Hindi mo na tulog. Sige. Kunyari lang, sige.
Hindi mapapanto kasi. Kung may mapapanto kasi yung isip niya, ano ba? Kung striders na, yun ang ibang usapan.
5, yeah.
Kung napanood mo sa CC, umuwi ka CC parang hindi mamaya. Kailangan mo lang practice lang. Ako alam mo yung design natin.
3.
So, take natin.
Branch?
Quick siya.
Balik lang yan.
TBT. One, two, three.
Three. Na-assign kay...
Crack draw card.
Two.
Dito! Ano nangyari?
Eight.
Natanggal na lang sa chip.
Toxic.
Wait, maaakit siya, lalaki siya. So,
Kasi wala card hand.
kasi wala ka ng hand. So, magiging
Actually,
8 plus 3.
Take
8 plus 3. Na wala. 11. 11
Pag wala.
minus 6, take 5. Tama.
Pag wala. Pag walang hand.
Pag wala kang hand, may plus siya.
Okay, so may hand.
So-
Okay. 3. Take na.
So, ganun din. Take.
May hand.
May hand ka.
Yeah.
So, 8.
Take
minus-
Ganun
take
din
five.
pala, either way.
Take 5.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Grabe naman yun. Turn 0, League 5.
Drawing intimidate cards, draw 1.
Grabe ka talaga, boss mo. Masakit yung...
Top 3.
Up 4.
Ito yung gamit na labig dito talaga kasi gamit.
Sige, 4 ba? Go again. 4.
Block.
4. One card up.
Wala yung group natin.
Take 1.
TBT.
For 6.
For 6 lang.
Ano go again?
No go.
For 6, no go. Four.
Block
Block 4.
Reaction di react.
Yeah, sorry. No
Block
blocks.
four.
Block 4.
Sorry. The next card. So affected ka pala ng CNC. Ganun yun.
Yeah.
The next card should be just start with an affected this.
This plastic.
So di-react lang siya basically.
Yeah, 4.
So take 2. Sounded. Arsenal. Sige, sige. Di ba mag-Arsenal? Sige. Moving to... sa tali siya, moving to enter, nalabas yung enter na dito. No? Okay? Good.
Four.
Ilan yan?
Four.
Four. Jesus Christ. Take 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2.
Meron pa.
So, result.
Sige, take 2.
Personal pass.
Graduate.
2 cards.
3 cards.
3 cards.
Timothy. Ayun, bigay na. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. This one. Okay. Show numbers. Yeah, show numbers. Timothy. Reroll na 4. Kung ayaw mo bigay 10.
No floating.
May hawak. Low floating. Low floating.
Okay. 6 hit.
So,
May card hand ako.
3, 8, 7.
Yeah. Alright.
Down to 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Moving to enter.
Yeah.
Ano gagawin? Sure ka walang gagawin?
Promise.
Pwede kami gawin.
1. For 3.
Ito ko sa ganito. Four.
3 day, 3 day.
Ka nagko-compute kasi feeling ko alam mo yung gagawin mo next. Pressure.
Wala akong acting lang yan.
Acting lang. Sana acting lang.
Wizard things.
Wizard things lang yan. Alam mo lang may something. Nothing pala yan.
Dami nilang problema.
BS lang yan. Dami lang problema in life.
The wizard problems. Wizards don't fight their opponents, they fight themselves.
You know. We lose to
No,
ourselves.
we lose to ourselves.
To our decision making.
Take.
Take.
Down to
Take
Take
3.
muna.
Take 2.
ano naman? Stop.
Yeah.
2 lang.
Yeah.
Kasi third niya.
Hindi, third. Ayan.
May go again to. Instant.
Instant.
Ay, yung mag-look ka, tapos kung ilan yung dami, yung resources.
Pero action na to? Or instant? I mean, big
instant pa.
May
Instant pa siya?
action point. Kasi it gives up a lot.
No, it doesn't. Ito yung action point.
Ito yung action
Yeah,
point.
so this is...
Pero wala din action point.
Wala na, 0 action points. 0 action points.
So, mark mo na lang.
Ay,
Two arcade.
sorry. So resolve me.
Sige. Take.
Ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yung last, di ba? Sorry.
May hawak ka na.
Yeah. Okay.
Intimidate.
Ilang card? 3. Sorry.
Okay.
Before intimidate. Sorry.
Ayun, kaya
Pwede mo respond.
Yeah. Sorry. Banish. Intimidate.
Hindi ko na-get na nangyayari.
Okay.
Sorry. Bali,
Dahil meron siyang 4 counters,
Pwede ko tanggalin.
pwede siya magtanggal ng up to X counters. Tapos kung depende dun sa ilan yung magiging damage na arcane. Okay? So yun, as an instant, ginawa niya, tanggal niya yung 4 counters para malagay niya dito. So he can play this as an instant later on. Pero kailangan niya pa rin bayaran.
Okay.
Intimidate. Three. Go.
At the end of turn, that can be played as
As
an
an instant. Pwede ito as instant.
Ito pwede?
Yes.
Dahil binayaran niya using yung
Yung
counters
counters from
this.
this.
Okay. Sneaky ka. Tatakot ako So pwede mo na akong boom.
Wala. Pa-bluff lang yan.
I have a play, but it means wala akong hawak.
Sabihin sa akin yan! Huwag mo sabihin sa akin.
Meron kang pang tokens, wala na.
Wala, zero
Tinanggal yung
counters.
4 para bayaran
Yeah,
mo.
to play.
Kasi 4 arcane yun sa turn.
So ito pwede na niya
Yes.
i-grab.
You have to pay for it.
Yeah,
Yes,
still have to
kailangan mo
pay for
bayaran mo
it.
yan.
Still have to pay for it.
Take the Carpus on the floor.
Kailan?
Yeah, still need.
Masyadong malakas.
It's too OP. Ganun.
Everyone will use
Free,
it.
free, free. Off ka lang, tapos free lahat.
Si Bonbay na problema.
Hindi ako kasi may 4 eh. Ano yung mangyayari
Okay. Kasi turn mo ngayon, 4 yan.
Forever ba yan nandyan o mawawala to?
Once the end of the turn, if I didn't use it, it's
Okay.
gonna be banished.
Wala pa yan.
Yeah. American.
Kailangan.
No.
Six or
Kinonfirm ko yan eh. You can pay 4 or 6 depending on the owner. Since 4 lang, I can pay 4 to banish it.
Okay.
Yan
Pero,
ako nung
pero
Battle
effectively
Arden.
parang 6 siya.
Per 6 siya, it will come with
siya.
6. Pero since 4 or 6 daw yun, sabi.
Six
Sabi
tapos-
nung sa Battle Arden.
Tapos may ganito ka pa.
Yeah. For 2.
2 pero on my turn it's a 3.
Yeah,
It's a 3
it's a
diba?
3.
Kaya may scratch.
In short, what's gonna kill me is staring me in the face.
Yes. It's 9 points.
In that case, you sneaky guy. Sacrifice.
Yeah, sure.
Scab na lang. Kainis. Ikaw magawa yung gusto kong gawin. 12.
For 12. For 6, holding priority.
Sige.
Up to first. One bottom, one top. Okay. One floating resource. Holding priority. Sorry ah. Winning moon for 3. 2 floating resource.
Sige, so ano mangyayari?
Winning moon muna for 3 on the stack to. Not yet resolved. Winning moon for 3 first.
Kung panalo kami.
2 floating resources.
Okay, okay lang, review natin.
Sure, go,
So,
go, go. So, again,
unang ginawa mo is...
So, this is 2 in hand. So, intimidated 1.
Yep.
Yeah. So, I will pitch this.
Okay.
1 floating resource.
Okay.
Attacking
So, for 2 kasi yan.
Yeah.
For two.
So, this 1 floating up 2. So, nag-up ako. So,
Okay.
1 down on up. Okay. And then 2 counters on please. Good?
Okay.
And then...
Kasi up to yung... Ito.
Yeah, I have it.
Kasi mahal.
And then, before
Okay.
resolution ng Emeritus, I will instantly cast since I played
yeah.
non-attack.
Okay.
Winning moon for 3. 2
Okay.
floating resources, 2 counters on please.
Tapos, yan na. Okay
Yeah,
na.
4 na.
4 na. So, 6. Ito muna, 3.
Ito muna mag-resolve. 3
and then
muna.
yung 6.
And then 6.
Wala naman siya. If it hits, gain a token. Wala.
Ganon yan.
Pinits yung die.
If it hits, yes. Sana red.
Red.
So take 2.
Take 2.
Take 2. Sige.
Take 2. Resolve this. So this is already resolved. 6. But before resolution, I'll play Kindle. Since I have no card in hand, I will draw a card. Before resolution, I'll pop this.
Okay.
Instant for 6 again.
2 6.
6. No floating. 6 and then 7.
Wow!
6!
Nakalimutan mo yung unang lagay na counter kanina. When you
Panalo pala
opted
siya.
all this.
Hindi ito yun. Oo nga kanina.
Let's go!
Hinayaan ko yun kasi nakita ko na rin.
Yeah.
Nakasunod!